Welcome. Now we are going to solve miscellaneous practice set 1 question number 16 to 20. From question number 1 to 5 and 6 to 10 already we have solved in previous videos. So here question number 16, it is given in triangle PQR the measures of angle P and angle Q are equal and measure of angle PRQ is equal to 70 degree. Find the measures of the following angles. We have to find out measure of angle PRT, measure of angle PRT, then measure of angle P and measure of angle Q. It is given measure of angle PRQ is equal to 70 degree. Here it is shown, and angle P and angle Q are equal and we have to find out. So I have put it here question mark. So these three we have to find out. So if we see a triangle PQR, angle PRT is an exterior angle, but angle PRT and angle PRQ makes the linear pair of, they form a linear pair of angles. So they are supplementary. So by that property we can find out angle PRT. So we can find out, therefore we can write measure of angle PRT plus, so measure of angle PRT plus measure of angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree. Angles in linear pair. So we will get angle P, measure of angle PRT plus PRQ. It is given 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, measure of angle PRT is equal to 180 minus 70. So, we will get 180 minus 70, 110 degree. Therefore, we got measure of angle PRT is equal to 110 degree. So, here we can write 110 degree. We got it. So, now we can write, now this angle is a PRT is an exterior angle and we know that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle of a triangle. So we can write, therefore now we can write measure of angle PRT is equal to measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q. By which property? By the exterior property of a triangle. So therefore we will get measure of angle PRT, it is given 70 degree. So we can write measure of angle PRT we got 110 degrees. So we can write measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q is equal to 110 degree. So but we know angle P and angle Q are equal. So we can write angle P plus angle P is equal to 110 degree because angle P is equal to angle Q, it is given in the question. So we can write this angle P and angle P, they become twice angle P is equal to 110 degree. So angle P is equal to, now this is multiplication, so we can divide 110 divided by 2. So angle P is equal to 2 1s are 2, 255 is a 110. So we got angle P is equal to 55 degree. Therefore angle Q is equal to 55 degree because angle P is equal to angle Q, it is given. Therefore hence we have solved. So we can write final answer, measure of angle PRT is equal to 110 degree we got. Then measure of angle P is equal to 55 degree we got, and measure of angle Q is equal to 55 degree. Now next question it is given, simplify 5 raised to 4 and into 5 raised to 3. Your base is same, so we can write 5 raised to 4 plus 3, that is 5 raised to 7. Here we have used a raised to m multiplied with a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n by this formula. Now second one, it is given 2 by 3 raised to 6 divided by 2 by 3 raised to 9. So we know the formula, so we can write that is equal to 2 by 3 division. So we can do the subtraction by the law of indices. Divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So we got here 2 by 3, 6 minus 9, the value is negative 3. So we can write now 3 by 2 raised to capital 3, because we know that a by b raised to negative m is equal to b by a raised to positive m. Okay. Now next we will solve. That is given 7 by 2 raised to 8 into 7 by 2 raised to negative 6. So here base is same, so we can write 7 by 2, the multiplication, so it will become plus, so we can write 7 by 2 plus minus minus, so 8 minus 6, so it is 7 by 2, 8 minus 6, the value is 2. Here we have used the same, that a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Into a raised to n is equal to a raised to n plus n. Here it goes. Okay. Now next, it is given 4 by 5 raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to 4. So here it is division, so we can use the operation of fractional, that is division. So we can write 4 by 5 raised to square multiplied by division. So we will do multiplication, it will become 4 by 5. Now here base is not same, so now base is same. So we can write now, that is 4 by 5, 2 plus 1, that is equal to 4 by 5, 2 plus 1, that is raised to 3. Now next, it is given question, find the value of. So we will find the value. Here base is same, so we can write 16 minus 16 division. So it is 17 raised to 0, so value is 1. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Here we can write 10 raised to negative 3, so we can write 1 by 10 raised to 3, because we know a by b raised to negative m is equal to b by a raised to positive m. So now we can write 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 1000. So our value is this. Now we will solve the next. It is given 2 raised to 3 and whole raised to 2. So formula we know, we can write 2 raised to 3 into 2. So now it will be 2 raised to 6. So we will multiply 2 raised to 6 means 2 6 times. 2 raised to 6 means we will multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 times. So our value is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we will write 8 into 8. This 3 I have taken together and this 3 take. So 8 8s are 64. Now next it is given 4 raised to 6 into 4 raised to negative 4. So formula we know, we can write 4 raised to 6 plus minus 4. So it will become 4 raised to 6 minus 4, that is 4 raised to 2, that is 4 into 4, that is 60. So question number 18 we have finished. Now question number 19 is given, solve. 6a minus 5b minus 8c plus 15b plus 2a minus 5c. So we will open the bracket. So it will become 6a minus 5b minus 8c We have to open the bracket. I again written the same. So 6a minus 5b minus 8c plus 15b plus 2a minus 5c. Now we will take the like terms together. So we can write now 6a and plus 2a plus, next we can write minus 5b and 15b plus 15b plus, now c we will take together, negative 8c and negative 5c. Now the answer is 6a plus 2a, it is 8a plus minus minus, and the value will be 15 minus 5, 10b, sign will be positive, and here minus minus we will do plus, that is 8 plus 5, 13, sign will be minus, plus minus minus, so answer will be negative 13 minus 13c. So 8a plus 10b minus 13c, we got the answer. Now next one, it is given 3x plus 2y multiplied with 7x minus 8y. So we know we can write 3x multiplied with 7x plus 2y whole multiplied with 7x minus 8y. So we know 7 3s are 21, x into x square minus, because here minus sign is there. Then 8 3s are 24 and x into y xy. Then sign is plus. Now 7 2s are 14 xy. Then here sign is minus, so we will put minus sign, and 8 2s are 16 and y into y square. So first we multiply 7 3s are 21, x into x square, minus sign, so minus, 8 3s are 24 xy plus 2 7s are 14, x into y xy, minus sign is there, so minus, and 8 2s are 16, y into y square. Now here like term is there, so we will add 21x square. So 24 minus 24 and plus 14, we will get 10, and we will get 10, and the sign will be negative, so it will negative 10xy plus minus minus 24 minus 14, it is 10, and sign 24 is having negative sign, so it is negative 10xy minus 16y square. Now we will go for the next. Next it is given 7m minus 5n minus 4n minus 11m. So now we will solve it. It will become 7m minus 5n, and here since subtraction, so sign will be changed. Minus will become plus and plus will here both are minus, so sign will be plus. So we will write plus 4n plus 11m. So now it will become, we will take the like terms together. So 7m plus 11m plus minus 5n plus 4n. So 11 plus 7, it is 18m, and here minus plus minus, sign will be minus because 5 is having negative sign, so it will be n, so minus n. So we have solved here third one. Now we will go for the next, that is given 11m minus 12n plus 3p minus 9m plus 7n minus 8p. So again it is subtraction, so sign will be changed. 9m will become minus 9m, then this plus will become minus 7n, and this will become plus 8p. So we will solve, it will become 11m minus 12n plus 3p. So now sign is changed, so plus, so it will become minus 9m minus 7n plus 8p. From here the sign will change. Now we will take the like term together, that is 11m minus 9m plus then negative 12n minus 7n plus 3p plus 8p. So 11 minus 9m, it is 2m. Then minus minus plus we will do 12 plus 7, it is negative 19, and plus minus minus sign will be there. So it is 19n. Then 8 plus 3, 11, and plus sign. So 11p. 2m minus 19n plus 11p, we got the answer. Now question number 20 we will do. Question number 20, it is given, solve the following equations. So we will solve, we will multiply this. So it will become 4x, 4 into x, 4x plus 12 4s are 48 is equal to 8. Now we want the value of 4x. So 4x is equal to 8 minus 48. Here 8 is there and plus sign will become minus sign. So we will write 4x is equal to 8 minus 48, negative 40. So x is equal to negative 40 by 4. So x is equal to 4 1s are 4 10s are. Sign will be negative. So answer is negative 10. Here we can write x is equal to negative 10. Next it is given 3x plus 4 is equal to 5y minus 6. So we will take it is given 3y, sorry, 3y. 3y plus 4 is equal to 5y minus 6. So we will take the y terms together, means we will shift. So it will become 3y minus 5y. This is plus, so this side it will come, it will be minus, equal to minus 6 plus 4 will become minus 4. So now the answer is 3y minus 5y, it is minus 2y. Negative sign will come and here it will become negative 10. So therefore y is equal to negative 10 by negative 2. So negative negative, the sign is positive. So y is equal to 2 1s are 2 5s are, y value is 5. Therefore we got y is equal to 5. So here we have finished question miscellaneous practice set 1, question number 16 to 20. Multiple choice questions we will see in the next video. Thank you.